Hey, it's Ty Crandall with Credit Suite here with a business credit and funding tip on how to obtain a Walmart business credit card without a personal guarantee and without a personal credit check. So Walmart is a mega retailer, probably one of the biggest retailers in the world, and they also issue business credit and report that business credit to Experian and Equifax Commercial. Now, to get approved, you should have business credit established with both Dun & Bradstreet and Equifax. These are the business credit reports they will look at and review to determine if you should be approved. Now, you're going to need to have a Paydex score with Dun & Bradstreet of 75 or higher. So what that means is it means you literally pay your bills as agreed. So you'll need to have accounts reporting to Dun & Bradstreet, a credit profile and score established with Dun & Bradstreet, and you'll need to be paying your bills that are reporting to D&B on time in order to get approved for a Walmart revolving business credit card. And you want to apply initially without supplying your Social Security number. For all business credit accounts, you want to try to apply without supplying your Social Security number. Now, as of 2018, a new regulation is rolled out where the government requires identification of you through your date of birth and Social Security number. So if a credit card is issued or backed by a major bank, if the major bank is the underwriter, there is a chance they may now ask for your Social Security number and date of birth only for verification purposes. If that were to happen, make sure they know that they do not have your permission for a consumer credit check and they do not have your authority for a personal guarantee, so they'll know to apply for the account in the business name alone without you being the guarantor. Now, if you have enough multiple paid as agreed accounts, you should get approved without the personal guarantee. If you don't have enough credit established, they may make you require a personal guarantee if you want to get approved. So to get approved, you'll need to apply in a store or through fax. And again, this is a revolving account, so you could put a balance on the card and then pay minimum payments until the account is paid off in its entirety. The key to getting revolving accounts like Walmart is to have a number of other accounts reporting on your business credit reports and score. Remember, you can't just start building business credit with revolving sources like Walmart. You must start with places like Uline and Quill that are vendors that will help you establish the initial credit profile and score before you then have the handful of accounts or more you need to start getting accounts like Walmart. To get access to more vendors, more revolving store credit accounts, even learning how to get Visa and MasterCards using your business credit, established business credit to do so, visit our free site, creditsuite.com/tips, to get your free guide on building business credit, or give us a ring at 877-600-2487, or visit us online at creditsuite.com so we can help you build more business credit for your EIN that's not linked to your personal Social Security number.